Hey guys, episode 53 of the stock portfolio series. Very quiet week this week, completely flat overall, a few ups and downs, but nothing too much happening. Sort of underperforming the growth stocks. A lot of the FANGs are at sort of new all-time highs. I don't really own any of those, so fair enough. They're not for me. You probably guessed I'm still a bit of a doom and gloomer. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So a lot of the silver stocks here are sort of slightly down for the week, but not too bad. Polymetal still with iWeb, no word on transferring. So yeah, not too much going on in there. The Trading212 ISA is down like a couple £100. Not a lot going on. The ARK Invest pie, Genomics pie is pretty flat, at break even now. Not too much happening with most of these. Alibaba actually took a bit of a drop. I have to read the news on that, see what's happened. Argo blockchain still sort of rumbling around while Bitcoin isn't doing a great deal. Bitcoin ETP is up slightly, doesn't always move with Argo. It's probably reason to point out that part of the reason I have a lot of defensive stocks is that I've got a huge sort of allocation to crypto, so sort of rather than growth stocks I've gone with that, and may go a little bit sort of more aggressive on stocks once I sell out of crypto. But while we got that, don't really want sort of speculative high growth stocks and crypto. Just seems a little bit too risky overall. Some of the REITs sort of up and down. First Majestic, pretty much flat for the week. Metals prices aren't doing a whole lot. One of the ARK Genomics stocks has sort of pumped without me even really noticing, because it's in the pie. I just sort of look at the pie for the most part and see whether that's up. But yeah, over time some of these start to do their thing, get something approved. I haven't looked into the news because it's only sort of a couple £100, but since sort of investing, 550% up. So yeah, I expect over time some of these are going to probably go bust and or just fade away into nothingness, sort of staying low priced, and they'll never achieve anything. But yeah, some of them sort of do 500% and make up for the others. But yeah, interesting to see where the pie goes. Not a whole lot going on there. Polymetal, pretty flat for the week. The REITs, sort of, pretty flat. Sylvania Platinum down about 4%. Metals prices sort of, platinum at least. And palladium not doing too bad, but platinum taking a bit of a knock, and rhodium sort of all over the place really. So Sylvania just sort of falling back a little, but I think as soon as results come out, it's only going to be good news, so I should pop it back up. And the REITs, the Tritax is sort of fairly flat for the week. So yeah, really really quiet sort of update for the week, but is what it is. It's a quiet week if you're not a FANG investor. So yeah, the invest side is sort of up 150 quid, where the ISA was down slightly. Not a huge amount of movers in here really, sort of mostly 1% or 2. Some movers, sort of Baidu down a few percent. BT sort of dropped back a little, but it was on a crazy run to sort of £2. So not a lot there. Broadcom up slightly, but hit a bit of bad news yesterday. Getting done for manipulation. and monopolistic practices. eBay sort of still up 3% in the last week, looking good. Pretty happy with them. FedEx sort of recovering slightly, pretty much back to $300. So happy with that. Intel and International Paper not doing a great deal. The ETFs are done next to nothing. Kia Group up a couple of percent. Not too bad. Lennar sort of recovering a little bit, above $100 again now. So looking pretty good. Micron 2% down for the week. Nintendo sort of 2% up. As I say, there's really not a great deal happening. Porsche down 4%. Took a little bit of a hit, but yeah, even on the longer term, looking a little bit rough for the month. But yeah, still fairly happy with where they're going. You look on the year, doing pretty well, but not a lot happening at the moment. What else we got? Raytheon, 0.01%. That was for the week, wasn't it? Yeah. So they had a bit of a drop midweek. Rio Tinto having a small drop. Shell, had a bit of a drop during the week, but has recovered. So doing well over the month. Oil pretty much at multi-year highs. A little Seneca Foods up slightly. Quite like that as just a little fruit and veg salesman type thing. Sony 3% up for the week. Not bad, back above $100. Not too much else there. Turtle Beach had a bit of a drop back down to 30, but still looks good. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. All the rest were sort of 1%. Yeah, 2% for Volkswagen. So incredibly quiet week. We're sort of waiting for a catalyst, hopefully, in crypto to start sort of going heavier on some of these. And as I say, might be in here, might be in IG, in a general investment account, starting to spread it around. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Probably going to take a little while longer. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.